We talk football SA. Kaiser Chiefs 0, Golden Arrows 1, MTN 8 last 8. My brother, Mr. Massive. I think it was not so massive today. It was massive sadness.
It was not a massive performance that we expected.
Yes.
But I think we still have a long way to go.
Yeah.
Firstly, when you're having a team and you don't have a first 11, it becomes a problem.
It's a problem.
It becomes a very problem. And then the other thing, Peterson must take responsibility for the loss. Not trying to point him out, but that ball, that ball.
He opened the net.
He showed the guy that I'm already out. You can just put it straight there.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, we lost. We need to take a loss. So going forward, I think our coaches and technical team, they need to work hand to hand.
Yeah.
Our coach said Onyaka player at J4, which is the sign 2 now.
Yeah.
We still need a number 10. We don't have a playmaker up to so far.
Yeah.
We still need a quality striker. We need a striker almost the same as Da Silva. People, they criticize Da Silva, but Da Silva, it's a number 9.
Yeah, no, it's a great striker.
So we having Igadoro. Igadoro is that number 9 that needs someone who can create chances for him and give it to him and then sharpen it.
Yeah.
But up to so far, we don't have.
Yeah.
The wrong substitution that happened, bringing in Ndusha Balala with a game like this, and then Omopera on the same side.
Yes.
It's not working for us.
Yeah.
One was supposed to go on the other side. The last substitution, who's this? The frustration is kicking. No, remember, Ndlovu is almost playing the same as Katsande. So when you put in Ndlovu second half, you know to get a yellow card. That's how he plays. Defensively, why don't you? Yeah, defensively, why don't you give Muloisane a chance?
Yes.
He went to preseason, came back, but he never made to the squad.
Yeah.
Miguel slow. We know how he costed us. Konika is slow.
Yeah.
We know he's having an experience.
Yes.
But bring in Muloisane. Try to pay him with Konika. You have Frosla who's going to cover up as well.
A lot of sense.
But with Miguel and Konika, we're going to have a very, very, very long. Yeah, so we really need to fix those touches there and there. But I think our management just give our coach what he's looking for, and then the results will be positive. Yeah, let me give other guys a chance.
No, thank you, my brother. Thank you so much.